article. Article means what you know? Actually there are 3 articles, a, and they. 3 articles are there. Yes, but what is article? Yes, article are words which placed before the noun to show whether the noun are used in particular or a general sense. Okay, articles are those words which are used or which are just placed before the noun, and it expresses that whether the noun is used, that is specific or that is general. Got it? So here I will write articles are words which placed, or you can write directly, placed before noun. Okay, which are placed before noun to show whether the noun is used for specific or general. So there are mainly articles are divided in 2 types. Okay, definite article and indefinite article. So there are 2 types. First one, indefinite and definite article. So here on page number, see here, page number 12, you have this article grammar part. Yes, definite and indefinite. Here I will write article, definite and indefinite article. So which is the definite article and indefinite article? What is mean by definite and indefinite? Yes, we have to see once again. So write down this definition. So definite article are used, so they are definite. Okay, definite article are used for a specific purpose and indefinite articles are used for a general purpose. So which are the definite article and indefinite article? Yes, so here indefinite article, which are a and an, and definite article which, yes, the. So this indefinite article are used for general purpose. And this definite article are used for specific purpose. Got it? Now a and an. When we use a, when we use an, yes, just recall it. We already learned the grammar part. Yes, so an, when we are using an, yes, when there is a vowel sound word is there. Vowel which are there? A, E, I, O and U. So we are using an when there is a vowel sound word are there in the noun. So we are using this an article, and a we are using for the C, B, C and remaining are consonant. So for that we are using a article. So one example of the an article I will write here. An, see here, orange. Then an umbrella. Yes. So this is example of the an article. A, see, a boy, a cat. So see here, noun starts with the consonant. So we are using, yes, A. Then here you just see these are the vowel words. So we are using and. Got it? This is about a and indefinite article because we are using it general purpose. Now comes to the definite article the. Okay. So the we are using for the specific purpose. So here I will write one by one. So where we use the article we are using for specific purpose when there is a unique things. Yes, unique things and names we are using the article. Yes, what is used? First, unique things and name. Unique things means, example tell me. Yes. Unique thing, which are these? Very good. The star, the moon, the earth, for that we are using the. Yes or no? These are example because these are unique things. Yes. Even you can write down the president of India. See, president of India. For that also you are using the. Yes. Okay. The first use is over. Now the second use we are using the for geographical areas or geographical use. Geographical areas means you can say that landmarks. Okay, landmarks, the Andaman, the Nicobar. So geographical area. Second. Geographical uses. So in that which comes, see, places will come. So here example, the Andaman. The Andaman, you can say, see in your textbook there is example. Yes, landforms, that is Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and landforms. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar. The Maldives. For that you can use the. Got it? Here. Next, again where you can use, see here, for water bodies also, like the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Example, the Pacific Ocean. For that also you can use the. Yes. Even when there is a point of the globe. Yes, here see the tropic. See here, point of the globe means the tropic of Capricorn. Even you can use the directions like the north, the east, the south, the west. For that also you can use the. Even countries, okay, different countries like the United States of America, even for United Kingdom, okay, so the United Kingdom you can use. Next, that is cultural uses. Cultural uses. Cultural uses means what here? See, different books and even epics. Books and epics. So which are the books? See, different books, tell me. Yes. You can say the Ramayana book is there, holy book. So example, the Ramayana. Then the Bible. So for that also, cultural use also you can use the article. Got it? Again for see famous work arts like the old here, the Mona Lisa. For that also like a famous work art. Here I will write here famous work art. What is the example? The Mona Lisa. Yes, for that also you can use the even famous work art I told you. Then even with musical instrument like the guitar, the harmonium, for that also you can use the musical instrument. And right here, musical instrument. Like example, yes, the guitar. And even you can use guitar and even the harmonium, and even for the rank and for the degree also you can use the article rank and degree. For rank and degree. Rank and degree means what? See here, ordinals number, like the first ray of light, ordinals. Rank and degree, in that you can say that ordinal. And right here, we learn about ordinal and cardinal number, yes or no? So ordinal, the first ray of sun, you can write like that, the. Next, even degree means here one example is there of the degree, that is for see you know that degree, superlative degree is there. Okay, which are the three degrees are there: positive, comparative and superlative. So for the superlative degrees you can use the article, like the best scholar. Degree means superlative. So example, the best scholar. So these are the examples of the article. Got it? So here on page number 30, see here. So what is use of that the article? First one is unique things and name. Yes. Then the in unique things and names, in that nouns, then even unique of the kind, even the title given to the temple, yes or no? Even the title given to the people and the family names, in even geographical area like landform, then water bodies, points of globe, even direction, even countries. Then next one is cultural areas, like I told you, books, epics, and the name of the well-known buildings and mountains, see like Qutub Minar, then the learning tower of Pisa. Then even for famous works art like the old guitarist, even the Mona Lisa, even the musical instrument. And in the last one is ranks and degrees. Rank means that ordinals, like the first number, second number, then superlative degrees like the we can use for that. So this is the uses of article A and they. So you have to solve the exercise on page number 13. So here you have to circle the right article in each sentence. So first is, did you bring an umbrella? So you have to write down as per the uses of this particular article. Got it? So you have to solve this A and B. This is your homework. Solve question A and question B on page number, yes, on page number 13. So this is your homework. Yes, grammar part you have to see, just make a partition in your notebook. Yes, and you can write the grammar section and you have to send it to me. Okay, hope you all understood. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.